Hey everybody, Mark Yagi, welcome back. Let's continue on this MicroStrategy trade. If you've been following me, you know the stock has lost, I don't know, a couple hundred points from its high, probably 175 at this point. And we're actually in a profit. I don't know exactly what the profit is because I haven't done the spreadsheet this week. I suppose we're due for another video to do the math. So look for math video number 3 coming out here when I can get to it. But I just want to, it's Friday, so it's Friday at 20 minutes to 2, and you can see there's still just a little bit of juice left in there, a $960 worth of juice. I got $30, $3,065 for the contract times 8. I got that, and a lot of that was in the money amount. Now you see the stock is down at 374, and I have the 380s. I'm pretty happy with that. I got a bunch of juice and a little bit of protection on the way down. So you can see this actual trade, even though the stock is down from where I did the trade, made $23,626. Okay. Now I don't care what it's doing this week. Yes, I do, but you know what I mean. It's like, it's not a weekly trade. This is just accumulating money into my juice bucket. Now, not all this was juice. If I remember right, I don't know, like, let's see, $13 of the 30 was juice, something like that. I don't remember exactly, but that's why I do spreadsheets, because I don't remember all these numbers. But you know, $24,000 is the profit that I've made on the juice component, the short component, the part where I sold in the money plus the juice. That, you know, I'm gonna buy it back for pennies here. $760 is what I'm gonna buy it back for. Okay, so you can see that helps me be profitable on the day, even though the stock is only up 20 cents right now. Okay, so it's only up 1 cent now. Hang on, if it go negative in a second. All right, so what I'm going to do is a very simple thing. I'm just going to roll it to the next week. Now, MicroStrategy has numbers, some earnings coming up, and I don't like to be really risked out at earnings, okay? So this week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the same strike, or maybe the 375s, just to get a little bit more juice. But I want to be more protected as it goes toward earnings. So I'm hoping that if I can get the 375s, and this is hope is not a strategy, but if it can roll back up and go to 380, 390, 400, now I'm deeper in the money, giving myself some cushion on the downside for when we have numbers. So all I'm going to do here now is I'm going to do this trade. I'm going to roll these 380s to the 375s, okay? In fact, the stock is right now at 372.60. So in fact, I'm going to do the 372.60s just because that's the place where you get the maximum amount of juice. The 372.50s, change this to a market order. And let me read it back. I'm going to buy back the ones that expired today, the 380s, and I'm going to sell the 372.50s. Is that correct, Mark? Yes, it's correct, Mark. Read it, confirm it, and send it. Boom. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Let's go back and just check everything. So I have 0 left of the 380s. I have the 372.50s, and I got $17.82 for those. $1,680 per contract. Let's call it $1,700 a contract is what I make, and I will end up making, well, 8 times basically $1,700 a contract. So sounds like about 14,000, something like that for the week. On top of what I made last week, that's just what I'm doing. I'm just accumulating juice, and I'm actually hoping the stock goes up from here, which it actually looks like it's doing since I did the trade. So go me. Here we go. All right, so that's how I'm playing the MicroStrategy, and I'll keep this in the MicroStrategy playlist. If you haven't subscribed to my Insider Tips newsletter, please do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a second, hit the like button, share this channel, give me a comment, whatever you want. Good to see you. I hope you're following along and understanding what I'm doing here on the MicroStrategy trade. See you on the next video. Bye.
Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.